بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Surah Al-Baqarah. Ruku, number 13. Mind map. Verse number 104. O you who have believed, say not to Allah's messenger, Ra'ina, but say, Unzurna, and listen. And for the disbelievers is a painful punishment. Verse number 105. Neither those who disbelieve from the people of the scripture nor the polytheists wish that any good should be sent down to you from your Lord. But Allah selects for His mercy whom He wills, and Allah is the possessor of great bounty. Verse number 106. We do not abrogate a verse or cause it to be forgotten, except that we bring forth better than it or similar to it. Do you not know that Allah is over all things competent? Verse number 107. Do you not know that to Allah belongs the dominion of the heavens and the earth, and you have not besides Allah any protector or any helper? Verse number 108. Or do you intend to ask your messenger as Moses was asked before? And whoever exchanges faith for disbelief has certainly strayed from the soundness of the way. Verse number 109. Many of the people of the scripture wish they could turn you back to disbelief after you have believed, out of envy from themselves after the truth has become clear to them. So pardon and overlook until Allah delivers His command. Indeed, Allah is over all things competent. Verse number 110. And establish prayer and give zakah, and whatever good you put forward for yourselves, you will find it with Allah. Indeed, Allah of what you do is seeing. Verse number 111. And they say, none will enter paradise except one who is a Jew or a Christian. That is merely their wishful thinking. Say, produce your proof if you should be truthful. Verse number 112. Yes, whoever submits his face in Islam to Allah while being a doer of good will have his reward with his Lord, and no fear will there be concerning them, nor will they grieve. Conclusion. Believers are instructed to use respectful words and obey Allah and His messenger. The disbelievers and hypocrites are warned about painful punishment for mocking or rejecting the truth. The people of the book are reminded that guidance is only with Allah, and He grants it to whom He wills. Salvation is not based on claims of any group, but on sincere faith and righteous actions. All will be judged by their deeds.